Hey guys, running Kimono here. So it is Tuesday the 7th. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video, we're going to be looking at the Dollar General scenarios for the week of the 11th. If you plan on doing these deals before the 11th, add an extra $5 to the balance. The 11th is the day that generally the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 stack. So if you could possibly swing it, I would wait for Saturday. But if you have to go sooner than that, that also works. If your city community is on a very strict lockdown, obviously you can't do these deals. You know best what works for you. But anyhow, let's go into some ground rules again. You have to really be smart and safe. Can't stress it enough. If it's not a good time for you to be going out and doing these deals, you got to stay home. I would absolutely check the parking lot to see the amount of cars that are there. I think it's really smart to shop off-peak hours. So initially, when the store opens up first thing in the morning, obviously the first hour is for senior citizens, but following that, maybe that would be a good time to shop. You can always see the amount of people that are in the store by the parking lot, so just be smart that way, guys. I would absolutely wear a mask and gloves and social distance, even if it's a bandana and winter gloves, whatever you might have, whatever works. I would only shop if you absolutely need to. If you have a giant stockpile at home, it's obvious, stay home. And if you are going shopping, shop intentionally, have a list, check it twice, go into the store being super organized. For these specific deals, you have to get to $30 before a single coupon is applied. And again, as we were discussing earlier, the double stack will be on Saturday, April the 11th. And if you're really new to this, newbie, I would absolutely pass on this because these gain deals are kind of involved. If you watch some of this, it might get might hurt your brain. And we've all been there too. So I would say to do the 5 off of 25 on Saturday, and I'll have extra deals with gain merchandise in it. I know a lot of you are looking specifically for gain, and I know that some stores are really limiting you. So if you can only grab like one thing of cleaner, or if it's like really, really super, super duper strict, obviously just doing a one basket of a 5 off of 25 would be the smarter way to do it. And again, I'm going to whip up some more matchups probably on Thursday or Friday to go with that, and watch out for that. And especially if there's limits that you have to adhere and follow to, you won't be able to do a $30 gain basket. Now, I'm going to link a video at the very end on how to use the Dollar General app. It's always a very wise thing to do to give a quick scan of products to make sure that 5 off of 30 and the digital coupons that we're showing you are attaching. So the video for this will be linked at the very end, and a very awesome tool to be using in store. Okay, so deal number one, guys, is with digital coupons. You're going to need the following, which is the 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So load that guy, and all digital coupons are also of a one-time use, just to note that, along with the 5 off of 30. So you're going to need both of these cornerstone coupons. So the first item that we're grabbing is the Mr. Clean with Gain. It's going to have the Gain logo on it. And as you can see, the 5 off of 30 and the $1 off 2 are attaching to this product. And then we're grabbing one of the Swiffer with Gain, one of these wet packs. And as you can see, it has the beautiful Gain logo on it. So that's what you're looking for. These sell for $4.50 a piece. And this wonderful dollar coupon is affixing to this product. We're grabbing a massive Gain detergent, 75 fluid ounce. The dollar coupons attaching along with the 5 off of 30, one of the massive fabric softeners, and then this dollar coupon is also affixing with the 5 off of 30. And then we're going to be grabbing some of these Gain dish liquids, and then this wonderful $1 off 2 coupon is also attaching. Okay, so this is what we got, guys. 2 of the Gain with Mr. Cleans, they're $3 a pop, so that's $6. One of the Swiffer wet packs with the Gain logo on it is $4.50. One of the Gain detergents, the larger ones, is $7.50. One of the large Gain fabric softeners is $7.50. And then 3 of those Gain dish soaps are $2 a pop. Well, that's $6 right there. Adding up this awesome basket together, guys, we have a total of $31.50. So once the cashier scanned your last item, make an announcement that you want to punch in your phone number When the pay button is pressed, the 5 off of 30, the 5 off of 25, and then $5 of digitals will also come off. So you're left with paying $16.50 out of pocket, not including your tax for the 8 items. It essentially shakes out each item to $2.06 per item. If you consider that 2 massive bottles of both detergent and fabric softener are included, I think this is not a bad little deal. Okay guys, the last 2 deals I have for you include using paper coupons. So for this one, of course, you need your Cornerstone, which is the 5 off of 25, along with the 5 off of 30 for the Swiffer. And this week, I believe a lot of the P&G coupons are expiring, so that's why I've included them in this deal. First item that we're grabbing is 3 of these Swiffer wet packs with the Gain logo on it. They're $4.50 a piece, and when you buy 2, you're going to get $1 of instant savings. And we're going to need 2 of these coupons from the April P&G. As you can see, they do expire on Saturday, so use them or lose them. And then we're going to need the counterpart of the dollar digital, and as you can see, the 5 off of 30 is in fact attaching to this product. The next item that we're grabbing is one of these larger Gain fabric softeners, 90 fluid ounces. And then we have this wonderful dollar coupon that's affixing along with the 5 off of 30. And then the next item that we're grabbing is one of the massive detergents. There it is, 75 fluid ounce. You would have detergent for a really long time if you purchase this. And then we have also a wonderful dollar coupon that's attaching. So make sure that you have all these digitals to correspond with this deal. And then we're going to be grabbing some Gain dishwashing liquid. And then we have this digital coupon, $1 off too. Okay guys, let's take a quick look at the math for this one. So 3 of the Swiffer wet packs are $4.50 each, so that's $13.50, but you're going to get $1 of instant savings at checkout, so it'll actually be $12.50. One of the Gain detergents, the larger one, is $7.50. One of the Gain fabric softeners, the big mama, again $7.50, and then 2 of those Gain dish soaps, they're $2 each, so that's $4. So the total for all of this is $31.50. You're going to present 2 paper coupons from the April P&G for the Swiffer products. That'll shave off $2 right there. Immediately after that last coupon is scanned by the cashier, you punch in your phone number at the speed of light. The 5 off of 25 Saturday coupons coming off, along with the 5 off of 30 Gain coupon, and $4 of digital coupons that you have loaded to your store card. You're paying $15.50 out of pocket for the 7 products, or it shakes out each item to $2.21 each. Not too shabby. And if you might have gotten a couple of the April P&G inserts and you want to use them, this is obviously a really good use of them, just to note that, because I think a lot of the coupons in that insert expire on the 11th. So if you wanted to stock up, especially to clean your floors, I know a lot of people are really keeping their house, spotless these days. So this might be a really smart purchase. Okay guys, final deal that we have again is with paper coupons. You're going to need your 2 Cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25 for Saturday, if you choose to head out on Saturday, along with the 5 off of 30. So please make sure you have both of these guys loaded to your store card. Okay, so the first item that we're going to be grabbing for this basket is one of these large detergents. Actually, we're grabbing 2 of them. We're going to make it interesting today. So that's going to be $15 because they're $7.50 a pop. We have this dollar coupon, and as you can see, it's affixing to the 5 off of 30. And then 2 of these large fabric softeners, again, same price for $7.50. And then we have this digital coupon, and it's also attaching to that 5 off of 30. And then out of the Retail Me Not of April the 5th, we're going to need this dollar one for the fabric softener. And we're also going to need the dollar one for the detergent. And there it is. So looking at the math here, guys, this one's pretty simple. So 2 of those detergents at $7.50 a pop is $15, and then 2 of the fabric softeners at $7.50 a pop is $15. Adding those 2 numbers up together, we got $30. You're going to present $2 coupons from that Retail Me Not of April the 5th. That shaves off $2 right there. After the cashier scans that last coupon, you punch in your phone number at the speed of light, and then the 5 off of 25 Saturday, and then the plus the 5 off of $30 general Gain coupon, and then $2 digital coupons which subtracts $2. You're left with paying $16 out of pocket, not including your tax for the 4 products, essentially making each massive bottle $4 each. That's some really significant savings right there. As stated in the entry of this video, guys, be safe out there. You know your city, you know your county, you know how the times to go out. And if there's an order to stay indoors and, just hide away, obviously pass on all of these deals. We will have something in the future that'll probably be better than these deals, but just really be safe out there. And I will catch you guys in the next one.